How to temporarily deactivate a Facebook account in 2023. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to temporarily deactivate a Facebook account in 2023. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device or go to the Facebook website and log in with the account you want to deactivate. On the mobile app, tap on the menu given in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, go to Settings. Next, on the mobile app, tap on See More in Account Center under Meta Account Center. After that, tap to open Personal Details. Once you're here, tap on Account Ownership and Control. And in this section, tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Now go ahead and select the Facebook account that you want to deactivate. Make sure to select the option of Deactivate Account instead of Delete Account. Once done, tap on Continue to proceed further. Deactivating your Facebook account will also deactivate your additional Facebook profiles, as well as pages where you are the only admin or person with full control. Tap on the Continue button to go next. Now, add your account password and continue. Facebook will ask you to select a reason for deactivating your account. Choose the most appropriate option from the list. You will also need to enter your password. After selecting a reason and entering your password, you will be prompted to confirm that you want to deactivate your account. Once confirmed, your account will be temporarily deactivated. Remember that deactivating your account is different from permanently deleting it. If you want to reactivate your account later, you can simply log in again. During the deactivation period, your profile and information will be hidden from other users, but some data like messages you've sent may still be visible to others. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.